Hello dear children, this is class 8 maths class. In the previous class, we have done chapter DH2 probability till question number 3. Now we are going to start question number 4. Question number 4 is a coin is tossed 200 times and tails appears 103 times. If one toss is chosen random, find the probability of getting first part heads and second part tails. Favorable outcomes of head is equal to 200 minus 103. If we will subtract the total outcomes of tails from the total outcomes, we'll get it the favorable outcomes of head. So 200 minus 103, that is equal to 97, is the favorable outcomes of head. Now let us find out the probability of getting head. That is equal to favorable outcomes of head upon total outcomes. So favorable outcomes of head is 97 upon 200. This is our answer. In second part, we have to find out the probability of getting tail. That is also equal to favorable outcomes of tail upon total outcomes. So the favorable outcomes of tail is given 103. So here we will write down 103 upon 200. This is our answer for the second part. Now children, we will see the next question number 5. A die is thrown 300 times and number chosen on it are recorded as given below. Outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of appearances. 1 appears how many times? 49 times. 2 appears 51 times. 3 appears 52 times. 4 appears 46 times. 5 appears 43 times. And 6 appears 59 times. If one throw is taken random, what are the probabilities of getting first part 1, second part 3, third part 5 and fourth part is 2 or 6? Let us see the first part. The total outcomes is given 300 and the favorable outcomes of 1 is equal to 49. 1 appears how many times? 49 times. So it will be its favorable outcomes. So the probability of getting 1 is equal to favorable outcomes of 1 upon total outcomes. So favorable outcome of 1 is 49 upon 300. This will be our answer. Second part, probability of getting 3 is equal to favorable outcomes of 3. What is the favorable outcomes of 3? That is 52 upon 300. Now let us divide both this numerator and denominator by 4. 4 13 ja 52 or and 4 75 ja 100. So 13 by 75 will be our answer. Next part, third part, probability of getting 5. What is the probability of getting 5? Favorable outcomes of 5 is 43. So we'll write down favorable outcomes of 5 is 43 upon 300. This will be our answer. In next part, fourth part, we have to find out the probability of getting 2 or 6. Children, in this type of questions, you have to see carefully. See, first we will find out number of times 2 appears is 51 and the number of times 6 appear, that is 59. Now what we will do? Then we will add both these numbers. Then the number of times 2 or 6 appears, that is equal to 51 plus 59, that is equal to 110. Now probability of getting 2 or 6 is equal to favorable outcomes of 2 or 6, that is equal to 110 by 300. Now 0 0 will cancel out, therefore 11 by 30 will be our answer. Next, question number 6. Students, in question number 6 it is given, in a survey of 200 students it was observed that 115 students like milk while the rest dislike it. Out of this students, one is chosen random. Find the probabilities that the chosen students first part likes and the second part does not like. Let us find out. First part, probability of students like milk. How many students like milk? 115 students like milk. So favorable outcomes of a student, those who like milk, that is 115 upon total outcome is 200. Now children, we will divide both this numerator and denominator by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 40 ja 200. So 23 upon 40 will be our answer. And in the second part, does not like, we have to find out the probability of the student who does not like milk. So again, first we have to find out the students, number of the students who does not like milk. For that, what we have to do, we have to subtract this 115 from 200. So that is equal to 85. 85 students does not like milk. So probability of getting probability of a student who does not like milk is equal to favorable outcomes of the student who does not like milk upon total outcomes. So 85 upon 200, and now let us simplify this number by 5. Divide both sides. 17 5s are 85 and 45s are 200. So that is 17 by 40 is our answer. This is our answer of this question. So dear students, we have completed this probability chapter also, and next we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.